that wrestler Narsingh Yadav, who was to compete in the 74 kg category at the Rio Olympics, has failed a dope test. Let's go across now to Rika, who joins us for more on this. Rika, there was a lot of controversy over Mr. Yadav actually getting that spot to represent India at Rio. Now you're saying that it possibly may not go ahead. He may not actually be able to do that?
That's right, Sarah. In fact, he had a protracted court battle with double Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar to confirm, to get that place, to represent India at the Rio Olympics in 74 kg freestyle category. But now it seems reports are that he has failed dope tests. In fact, there were two samples taken, the A sample and the B sample. Apparently both turned out to be positive. Reports came on the 5th of July, and what we have learned till now is that the National Anti-Doping Agency, or the NADA, had held a hearing for him last Friday where he pleaded innocence, but this is going to go on. Meanwhile, what has happened is that WFI, or the Wrestling Federation of India, has withheld his Rio accreditation. He's not going to be traveling with the team to Georgia for a 2-week Olympic training camp ahead of the games. So all of this has been developing since last night. We haven't yet got an official word from the WFI, the Sports Ministry, or the wrestler himself, but all of this have been confirmed to us from sources. NDTV has also learned that there are various talks of replacing him with Sushil Kumar once again, because Sushil Kumar, as we all know, had trained to fight in the 74 kilo category, and that's what he has been asking for. A wrestle off with Narsingh Yadav to have a place in the Rio Olympics. But we'll really have to go ahead and see whether WFI has enough time on them now to give Sushil that Rio ticket that they had earlier given Narsingh Yadav.
What a controversy incoming just on the eve of the Rio Olympics. New controversy from the world of Indian wrestling.